cheese. Say cheese. 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 Hello, handsome. With some avocado lime ranch. Cheese. He brought my brush. Milan.
Dala tu man.
Y'all, I was so sad. They didn't let Adrian, well, they didn't let the baby in, so Adrian had to stay with the baby, and I wasn't able to record inside, but here we are. I'm gonna go meet up. Look at the baby. You can see.
Ahí le mira su wiwi.
Stop. Oh. Dale beso. Otro beso. I'm scared. Don't let us look. Maybe we should go up front and you go.
I can see your glasses, mate.
Stop! Oh yeah, your glasses.
Yes.
Oh my god.
I was looking at your glasses, but I was like,
Are you ready?
No. Stop.
Nice!
Stop.
Now the stress begins.
Oh man. Careful. And now where you saw. Babe, now I gotta see. That's not fair. I'm gonna grab it.
now we can't do nothing.
It's fine, we weren't gonna do anything. You're just gonna do the bouquet thing.
Well, then what's the point? I already know. Jealous.
Well, let me see.
No.
Oh. Wow, you know what it is?
Yes, now I know. I looked at it, I was like, what the fuck?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, because you know already.
You want to know what it is?
How do you feel right now? What is it? A girl or a boy? Who are you telling? Y'all, the doctor walked in and I was literally crying and laughing at the same time. She was low-key scared for my life. Where are you?
Big bro.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Milan, how do you feel, little boy?
Big bro.
Yeah, big bro.
¿Cómo estás, big bro? Agua?
How do you know, Milan? Cheese.
¿Cómo, Adrian? ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo? Ah. ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo?
A ver, agarra un pedazo.
Wow.
Que salga el queso. Agarra un pedazo. Si no sale el queso, no está
You're not
bueno.
doing it aesthetically, way.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, usa your right hand. Why are you using your left hand?
You saw your right hand. La verga.
Take 3.
Let me cut it right off.
Meanwhile.
Oh, sí, grábame, grábame.
A ver, a ver. Okay, ya.
Wow.
Oh. Milan.
Trae tu plato. Ya.
What?
There was someone there.
Where? Where? A ver. Hey. He was like, cheese. 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 We're getting a card? Okay. Okay, this is what I got from TJ Maxx. Some sweatpants because nothing fits me anymore. And I'm always in sweats. And I got these little cute jars for coffee and for the sugar. I got another one that's exactly the same. This one here. ¿Qué pasó? Look at how cute. I still need to organize that in there, but that's how that's looking. And I couldn't take this little sticky thing off, so we're just gonna turn it around. Dun, dun.
¿Vas a tener hermanita?
Are you excited? Hey. No, no.